Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix missing or disappearing photos on Note 60 Pro. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on app management. After click on app management, click on app list. After click on app list, click on gallery and click on storage and cache. If you want to fix this problem, so clear cache gallery app. After clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Here click on files app and click on internal storage and check hidden files from here. After check hidden files, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so click on gallery app and check recently deleted. So check recycle bin. After check recycle bin, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix missing or disappearing photos on Note 60 Pro. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.